Hello friends, this is tutorial number 60 in this Java programming language tutorials. Okay, as we can see in our application works perfectly until now, and in this I just want to expand this a little I wanted to show you now if we want to, we have our list and we have, I put 3 forts for example, and now we want to find a fort, but we already know how to do it. What I wanted to show you, we want to find a car with, for example, which have 2 or 3 or 4 conditions. List of cars can be with 100 or 1000 cars, and we cannot just put give me a fort. We need to specify a couple more parameters, and for example we want to display, we will use 2 parameters. We will create a method, public static, it will be void, and it will be Ford, and it will be above average. As we need to find a Ford which will be, for example, we have 3 of them, but we have a 3 Ford, but we want to find that one which price is above the average. Okay, and let's start. First we need a average float. Average will be equal to, we have a method average price. Okay, now, and we have a name, we want a Ford. String brand will be equal to, we will use caps lock, it doesn't matter. We can here, for example, use a lowercase, it really doesn't matter. And okay, we can, of course, we can use for each loop, but let us use a classic for loop. It's the same thing, but we cannot forget a classic for loop. Let's start. We will have integer x will be equal to 0, and x will be lesser than cars dot size, and we will have x plus plus. Okay, and we need to create a condition first. If cars dot get x and get brand, it need be equals ignore case, and it will with brand. Brand of the car needs to be equal to this brand, which is Ford. Okay, that's the first condition, and inside we need to create another condition. And if cars dot get x will, and we need get price is greater than average. Okay, this is another condition. We also we can have 3, 4, 5. I just wanted to show you we can have a couple of conditions, because this is a little application. We could have more parameters if, for example, booleans like air condition, like car with diesel engine, and so many parameters we can have. And because of that, when we iterate over this list like we doing with methods, we can have 3, 4 or more parameters. But for this moment 2 parameters are enough because our list is not so big. System out print line, and we will print it will be cars dot get x. Okay, and let me create another. First we will check if it's working. System out print line, let me create. Okay, and we will print Ford with price above average price. Okay, and we will just create, because we have a void, it will be this method, name of the method, and let us save. Let's run it. Okay, Ford with price above average price. We have one Ford, it's Mondeo, with the price of 11,000, and we already know that average price is 4,700. And let me see the price. Let me see the price of 2 Fords that not printed. Okay, one Ford have a price of 600, and this Ford, other Ford, has a price of 1,200. And as we can see, this works perfectly fine with our two parameters. And also I want to find one parameter, and it can be let me find the method. Okay, just a moment. We can have, for example, public static. We will need the cars, but let me see, we have which colors we have. Okay, we have a red from, okay, we will want a red color, but the price below average. Okay, let's try to find it. Okay, we can use a void, but we can also use a list. Let's try to use a list. List car. It will be red below average. Okay, it is the name of the method. And inside, now what we need to do. First, we need a string of color. String color. It needs to be a red. We will do it with caps lock. And we need a float. Lowercase. Float average will be equal to, this is the name of the method, average price. And we also need a list, because this is a method is a list. We will need to return a list. Let's create one list of car. It will be, we will call it cars2 will be equal to new array list of car, of course. Okay, and okay, also we can, of course, we can use the same way with void, but let's try a list. We can choose, we can use for each or classic for loop. We will use classic for loop again. Let's try for integer x equals to 0, x lesser than cars, lists of cars, not cars2, cars.size, and x plus plus. Okay, and we will create a conditions, and if cars dot get x dot equals get x, and we need just a second, and get color, it will be equals, ignore case, color. Okay, it is the first condition, and we need the second condition, it needs to be below average, and if cars dot get x and get price, where is the price, here it is, it needs to be below, lesser than average. Okay, it is a second condition. As I told you, we can have 3, 4, 5 too many conditions but you will have it when you start to work as a Java developer, but I just wanted to explain you. Okay, and we have that conditions, and we need if conditions are completed, and we need just to cars 2, we will need to add cars dot get x. Let's try. Okay, it was easier, I know, maybe it was easier with for each, and we could use the same method as here, but I want to try, I really like to try different ways. Okay, and we will simply try to return our cars2 list, and we will see if it will works. Okay, this is the list, and let's try for the, okay, we have what we need, car with red color and price below average. Okay, and this is the list. What is the name of the method? Red below average. This is a list, and we can print it as list with for each, and system dot out, and then print line, and I will see we forgot the stars. Let me do couple of stars. Okay, let me see what we have here now. Okay, car with I can it can be cars, syntax error. Let me try again. Okay, we have a cars with red color and price below average. We have Yugo. Okay, Yugo, it has the price, it has the red color, and price is 500. And we have our Mondeo with 1994. Okay, color is red and price is 1200, and I think that works perfectly fine. Let me check, our list is good. We have another, let me see, another red car. Okay, we had this Mondeo with 11,000, but let me just I will try, for example, to read below average. If where is the condition, I will just put I will change it is greater than average, and if application is good, now need to show me that Ford Mondeo from 11,000. Let me see, and it works like a charm, Okay, I like it. But this is not below, it is above average. I will put it back and let's print again. Okay, we have these two cars with a red color and the price below average. We already know that average is 4,700, but this is perfect. Our application works perfectly. Okay, how many lines of code? Oh, too many. I know it is difficult, but not so difficult. I think that you are now pretty good understand this. As I told you, we will practice this a lot of examples with a little of expansion. But okay, you will be good in this, trust me. Okay, I really like that you. I really hope that you like my video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And also you can follow me on Twitter and Instagram. You have links in the description. And I will see you in the next tutorial.